What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. So today I'm actually going to be replacing the sun visor door here. I just finished doing that side and it was actually pretty easy. I know there's a lot of videos online, but I guess a lot of people have a lot of difficulty with this. So I figured I would try something myself, and I want to show you. So this is the one I just removed. I'll show you the broken clip right there. It's broken on one side. The other side was okay, but it was like broken on that side. So I wanted to replace both of them. So like I said, I just replaced that one over there. Very easy. Let me show you exactly how this actually works. All right, so this is going to be the new one that I'm going to be putting in. All right, so if you look here, this is actually basically a little spring. All right, so if you pull back on these springs, right there, if you pull back on the spring, it allows you to get underneath the little clip there. See the little clip? So basically, let me see if I can put this a little easier. So right there. So all I'm going to do is apply a little pressure to this door. I'll push it down over here while I lift this up with the fishing line. Pull the fishing line up, and that allows this to just slide right in. And I'm going to do it on both sides, of course. Unfortunately, it's not easy to do with one hand, so you guys are going to have to take my word for it. I just did that side, as you can see, and it's very, very, very simple. You know, like I said, a lot of people having a hard time doing this, but it's not that difficult. All you got to do is pull up on that, and it slides right in. These are the units I bought. I picked them up on Amazon. It was like $20. 2 days. It was at my house. I'll link the description below. Very easy. Again, you guys try it. You know, no need to deal with a broken hinge, and you can actually. This little switch here is actually what turns the light on and off. And I've heard a lot of people having problems with their battery draining because that little switch doesn't actually shut the light off. So make sure you replace your little flaps here. So again, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.